Hi Fit Fam, welcome to Tips from Stella Fitness and another workout for fixing diastasis recti. This is basically for new moms, or even if you don't have diastasis recti, it is a very good routine for strengthening your core. Just continue marching in sport with me so that we warm up those muscles, preparing them for this workout. If you're new, please be sure to subscribe and hit that bell button so that you receive notifications every time I upload a new video. If you're returning, I am very happy to be having you. If you don't know about diastasis recti, please check it out in the video cards above. Otherwise, it is a condition that every mom needs to be aware about. Just take it easy, especially if you're a new mom. Listen to your body, march at your pace, and do all these exercises at your pace. And the first workout that we are going to do is wall squats. If you don't have a wall, you can still do squats in air. Otherwise, get onto a wall and you want to tilt in your pelvis as if doing a pelvic tilt. Then you want to pull your abs towards the spine and you want to begin going down while pulling in those abs towards the spine and back. So let's do 10 of these. Go down, pulling in those abs and get back up. Feeling that connection between your pelvic muscles and your core. And if you want, you can even do some kegels. While you go down, you squeeze your pelvic floor muscles, and as you get up, you release. Go down and up, down and up. Take it easy, take it slow, follow your body. I know as a new mom, sometimes those muscles are tired, but try to focus on pulling in them towards the spine. That is part of strengthening them. Go down and get back up. Next, just give me 2 more. Go down, pulling them in and get back. This is also very good as part of our warm-up. Go down, hold it right there and come back up. And moving on to the next exercise, which is going to be down on the mat. You want to get down onto your mat, and down on the mat you want to get down safely on your sides. Get down slowly and then roll over. So we want to begin with the pelvic tilt, and let's do 10 of these. So you want to tilt in your pelvis, pulling it towards the umbilical cord and making sure you have a flat back, holding it there for 1, 2, 3 and then release. So tilt, hold for 1, 2, 3 and release. You can even do some kegels while at it. Tilt, you can squeeze those pelvic muscles and release. Tilt, while you tilt, pull in your abs towards the spine as if making the vacuum and release. It feels like you're doing nothing with this pelvic tilt, but it's actually one of those best exercises for restoring back the strength of those muscles. Tilt and hold 1, 2, 3 and release. Tilt, hold 1, 2, 3 and release. Tilt, hold 1, 2, 3 and release. Tilt, hold for 1, 2, 3. You can do as many as you can and make sure that your butt muscles are relaxed while you do the pelvic tilt. Tilt, hold 1, 2, 3 and release. Come on, let's just do 2 more. Tilt, hold 1, 2, 3 and release. Just the last one. So you're tilting, having that flat back, pulling in your abs towards the spine, holding it right there, and then you release. So next you want to raise your legs, bring them to tabletop, and we shall begin bringing down our toes in toe taps. If you want it more stable, you can support your abs with your hands by squeezing them while doing this, or you can even reach them out and hold to something if you can. So just hold on to them, squeezing them. You will feel your abs actually working. So just begin going down with 1. Let's do 10 per side. pulling in your abs towards the spine. Keep going. If you feel the need to stop right there, it's also fine. Just stop anytime you feel that you've had enough of it. Give me one more per leg and the other leg, and bring it up. So you want to leave it in this position, and we are going to do the dead bug. So you want to raise your hands and you want to begin stretching out your leg and your arm, and bring it back, and stretching out the opposite leg and arm and bring them back. Stretch out. Let's focus on 10 per side and bring it back. Stretch out and bring it back. Feeling those abs working, maintaining a pelvic tilt on, that you have a flat back on the ground. Very, very important, because your abs keep inwards. Reach out and back. Reach out and back. Reach out and back. Reach out and back. Keep going. If you feel it's too much, feel free to stop right there. Reach out and back. Reach out. Keep breathing. Reach out and back. Reach out and back. Reach out and back. Keep going. Reach out and back. Reach out. Feeling your abs getting stronger. Let's just do one more per side. Reach out and back, and reach out and back. So next you want to bring your legs down. We are going to be doing the bridge and 10 of those. So you want to bring your hands to push into the mat, and you want to bring on that pelvic tilt. Then you want to raise your torso to reach as high as you can. Hold it right there for 1, 2, 3 and come back down. Tilt. Reach out, 1, 2, 3 and come back down. Tilt. Raise your torso, hold it, 1, 2, 3 and come back down. We are focusing on 10 of these. Hold, 1, 2, 3 and down. Pulling in your abs towards the spine too, as much as you can. Reach out and come back down. Pelvic tilt. Reach out, 1, 2, 3 and come back down. Raise up and down. Keep going. Raise up and come back down. Let's just do 3 of these, and of course you can do as many as you can or as less as you can. Just listen to your body, guys. As a new mom, I know it gets difficult. I'm not a new mom as I speak. I'm quite an old mom, so I may be doing too much for you. Just make sure that you follow your body. Hold it for 1, 2, 3 and back down. So next what we want to do is to pull in your pelvis. Make that pelvis tilt, and this time we are going to raise up, and we are going to be holding this right there for about 20 seconds. Feeling that stretch in our glutes, pulling in those abs towards the spine and feeling them coming in. So you want to keep holding this right there for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then you want to come back down slowly, and you want to get into leg extensions. So what you want to do is to bring on that pelvic tilt once again, and bring your legs again to table surface. What you want to do is to either hold onto the mat for that extra support if you need it. If you feel your abs don't keep inside, you can even reach out your arms. So what you want to begin doing is to extend that leg, and then bringing it back slowly, feeling that connection between your abs and your pelvic floor. We are focusing on 10 per side. You can do as many as you can. Just listen to your body. I don't know how much I can say that, but it is really important. Reach out, come back slowly and back. Reach out and back. You can even push onto your abs to feel them and support them to keep into place. Reach out and back. And back. Reach out and back. If you hold onto your tummy, you will feel your abs working, especially whenever you extend that leg. Extend and back. Keep going, keep breathing. Don't tie your breath. Reach out and back. Reach out and back. Reach out and back. Squeezing those abs inside, especially with your hands if you can. Reach out and back. Reach out and back. Extend your leg to as far as you can and bring it back slowly. Just give me one more per leg. Reach out and back, and one more time. Reach out and back. Well done. So next you want to get onto your side slowly. When you have diastasis recti, you don't get up on your back. We want to get into the side plank. So we shall be doing it at the knees, especially because you're a new mom. I know you don't have enough strength, but if you're strong enough, feel free to do it all the way at your toes. Otherwise, get onto your knees. You can reach out one of the legs, and we shall begin with 1 and 2. We are focusing on 10 per side. Keep breathing, pulling in your arms towards the spine, making sure that you are stable, feeling those abs tightening as you reach up and down. Reach up and down. Just give me 2 more. Reach out and down, and 1 more. Reach out and down. Of course, you can do as many as you can or follow your body. And lastly, you want to get up, and we want to hold it right there for 20 seconds. Keep breathing, pulling in your abs toward the spine. If you feel it very challenging, you can hold to as long as you can. Otherwise, just keep holding it right there for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And you want to come down slowly. You want to sit up and stretch out that side and move on to the other side. You want to get into position. Just stretch out your leg for more stability, and you want to begin with 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Keep breathing. Don't tie your breath. Just give me 2 more. And 1 more. Up and down. And then next we want to raise up and hold it right there, pulling in those abs towards the spine. We want to hold this for 20 seconds. Keep breathing, keep pulling those abs towards the spine. And you want to hold it right there for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Get up and stretch out side. And next we are done. Actually, we are just going to stretch to conclude our workout. So just get down again slowly. We shall begin with the leg raise stretch. So you want to bring in that pelvic tilt one more time, and you want to lift your legs, bringing them up, your toes facing the ceiling, and you want to reach out your arms, and you want to be holding this right there for 30 seconds. Very good stretch right there for releasing tension in your back, in your legs, and it is also very good for strengthening the abs. So just continue holding this right there. Keep breathing, and you want to continue holding this right there for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and bring down your legs slowly. Next, you want to roll over again, and we shall get into the child's pose. Pull your abs towards the spine, reach out your arms, bring your forehead onto the mat, and you want to breathe in and out while holding it right there. Breathe in and out, holding it for 20 to 30 seconds or as long as you want. Child's pose is very good, especially for releasing that tension in your arms. So just continue holding this right there. Keep breathing in and out, breathing in and out, and keep holding it right there for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. You want to get up and sit up straight, and you want to breathe in and breathe out, breathe in and breathe out, breathe in and breathe out, breathe in one more time and breathe out. Coming to the end of our workout, guys. Thank you very much for joining me, and I hope you do enjoy this workout. Doing these exercises consistently will help fix your diastasis recti as well as help strengthening your core with time. I'm a mom of 3. I've had 3 kids in a period of 5 years, and I've experienced diastasis recti on each of my pregnancies, and these exercises have really helped me to fix it without any surgery. And I highly recommend and advise you that don't get pregnant again before fixing your diastasis recti, because if you get pregnant again and move it over onto another pregnancy, it will get worse and then it may need surgery to fix. So every time you give birth, before you get pregnant again, make sure you work on your core so that you strengthen it and fix any diastasis recti or even hernia, and then get pregnant again when your core is strong enough. And well, guys, that is just about it for today. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and leave me a comment if you have any questions or something to tell me. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Invite them over so that we become workout buddies. Don't forget to connect up with me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest, because I do share lots of wellness and useful tips over there too. It means a lot to me when you get to join my growing family over here. So don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button so that you receive notifications every time I upload a new video. Don't forget to check out my other videos as well. See you in the next video, and don't forget to love yourself first. Bye bye.